Hi, welcome to the AI Garage. Here you can learn how to succeed with faceless content. For this video, I've researched hundreds of successful channels to bring you the top 10 faceless channel ideas. My research is based on two things. 1. How profitable each niche is, and 2. How easy it is to create content in it. So make sure to watch until the end if you want to find out which of these faceless niches is the right fit for you. And if you like this type of content, like the video and subscribe to the channel so YouTube recommends you more content like this. All right, let's dive in. Starting off our list at number 10, we've got explainer videos with AI voice. This content format mixes soothing lo-fi music with quick, calming explanations, with animations or stock videos on topics like personal development, simple finance, or tech basics. The content is minimal but impactful. Let's look at one high-performing example and a smaller creator with potential. Big example, Alux, an educational channel with unique blue-themed explainer content. It mixes calm visuals, aspirational storytelling, and sophisticated narration, earning steadily from ads and sponsorships. While the channel attracts over 3 million viewers monthly, it is earning $10,000 each month. Small example, Mr. Know a Little, a modest creator with 500,000 monthly viewers and a handful of helpful stickman explainer videos. Though early stage, it demonstrates how soft-paced, factual content can build a small yet engaged community. This niche is perfect for batching content and building a relaxing brand. But because it's low energy, it may not go viral unless your script is super compelling or beautifully produced. Here's how this niche plays out. The monetization potential is decent, especially if paired with affiliate offers like productivity tools or books. And sponsors love this vibe. So monetization score is 7.0 out of 10. Execution is easier than most niches. Once you find your voice and template, it's rinse and repeat. So execution score is 7.5 out of 10. And total score? 7.3 out of 10. If you're a minimalist at heart and like mixing calm energy with valuable content, this is a peaceful way to build your brand. Coming in at number 9, we've got Animated Philosophy Nuggets. This channel type simplifies complex philosophical ideas into short, digestible videos, usually enhanced with AI voiceovers and basic animations or visuals. Think, what is Stoicism? Or Nietzsche in 60 seconds. It appeals to deep thinkers who want wisdom without wading through heavy texts. Let's check out one popular channel and a smaller rising creator, Kurzgesagt. In a nutshell, leads the attract 30 million views each month. While it covers science and society too, many of its most popular videos are philosophical in nature, like optimistic nihilism and what is consciousness. Success Chasers, a smaller but focused channel, uses minimalist visuals and reflective voiceovers to break down themes like meaning, purpose, and the absurd. It pulls 800,000 views per month with a loyal, introspective audience. This niche may not go viral often, but it builds long-term trust and attracts highly engaged viewers. Here's how it stacks up in practical terms. It monetizes modestly through AdSense and book links, but has long-tail potential for deep audience loyalty. So, monetization score, 7.0 out of 10. Scripting takes care, but production can be systemized with text-to-video and AI narration tools. Ease of execution, 7.0 out of 10. Total score, 7.0 out of 10. If you enjoy philosophy and want to teach timeless ideas in a modern way, this is a calm, smart niche with staying power. At number 8, we have AI-generated product reviews. This format focuses on reviewing trending Amazon gadgets, digital gear, or even AI tools, using AI voiceovers and stock footage. The appeal? Buyers are already looking for product insights, and you're helping them make a decision. Let's zoom into one big success in one lean operation. TechZone AI racks up 5 million monthly views, earning over $8,000 per month, mostly from affiliate commissions. UFactTech, a smaller channel, pulls around 600K views per month, bringing in $3,000 mainly through AdSense and Amazon Associates. It's a proven monetization model, especially if you stay niche and build trust. Here's how this niche shapes up. Affiliates are where the money is, and good SEO or thumbnails can drive passive income even on old videos. So, monetization potential, 9.0 out of 10. The challenge with execution is keeping up with new products and presenting them clearly. Ease of execution, 6.0 out of 10. Total score, 7.5 out of 10. If you love gadgets and want to earn from buyer-ready viewers, this is a sharp, scalable niche. Sliding into number 7 is scary stories with animated avatars. This niche delivers spooky short stories using AI-generated scripts, voiceovers, and basic visuals. The tone is eerie, mysterious, and oddly addictive. Let's shine a flashlight on a big example. Mr. Nightmare leads the pack with over 15 million views per month, earning $20,000 to $40,000 per month, mostly from AdSense and merch. This genre is evergreen. People binge it, and it's easy to turn one story into a whole series. Here's what to expect from the shadows. Watch time is high, and there's good potential for merch or Patreon if your stories get traction. So monetization potential is 8.0 out of 10. You don't need to be a horror writer. Just prompt GPT, add spooky music, and go. Ease of execution, 7.0 out of 10. Total score, 7.5 out of 10. If you like suspense and storytelling, this niche is scary simple to start and seriously bingeable. At number 6, we've got celebrity gossip with AI voiceover. These are fast-moving, high-traffic channels that follow celebrity news, pop culture drama, and viral moments, all narrated using AI and paired with stock footage or memes. Let's look at two creators in this scene. Pexto dominates with 5 million views per month, bringing in $20,000 per month from ads and sponsors. Celebrities Data, a smaller faceless celebrity channel, pulls 800K views per month, earning around $3,000 per month. It's a fast game, but a high-reward one. Let's break down the glam factor. Monetization is solid thanks to volume. Plus, celebrity niches are perfect for merch and entertainment partnerships, so monetization potential is 8.0 out of 10. Videos are quick to make with AI tools, but you need to react fast and post frequently. We can say ease of execution, 7.0 out of 10. Total score, 7.5 out of 10. If you love staying on top of trending drama and moving fast, this niche delivers both eyeballs and income. Cracking into the top 5, we've got animated life lessons. These narratives often revolve around themes of kindness, empathy, and personal growth, resonating deeply with audiences of all ages. Let's examine one big heart-led channel and a rising creator. Peekaboo Kids gets over 50 million monthly views, earning over $50,000 per month via AdSense, sponsors, and even syndication deals. Tales by Monisha, a smaller player, pulls in 800K views per month, earning $3,000 just from YouTube ads. Stories that make people feel deeply tend to get shared and remembered. How does this play out behind the scenes? Emotional content equals high retention and sharing, which advertisers love. Monetization potential, 8.0 out of 10. Thanks to tools like Pictory and Toonly, even non-animators can tell strong visual stories today. Ease of execution, 8.0 out of 10. Total score, 8.0 out of 10. If you love storytelling and want to create content that moves people, this niche is powerful and profitable. At number 4, we've got hidden history shorts. These are quick stories about strange, forgotten, or little-known facts from history. Weird events, mysterious inventions, lost civilizations, told in short videos. Let's pull up one veteran and one growing creator. Extra History hits 20 million views per month, earning over $20,000 per month from AdSense only. Beginning to now, a smaller faceless channel brings in 1 million views per month, earning $3,000 per month. The content is evergreen, and curiosity drives high click-through and retention. Here's the historical breakdown. Monetization is moderate, but the format's clickbait and educational value bring steady traffic. Monetization potential, 7.0 out of 10. It's very easy to automate. Free sources, AI scripts, AI voices, stock footage. Ease of execution, 10.0 out of 10. Total score, 8.5 out of 10. If you like fun facts and rabbit holes, this niche is a low-effort, high-interest winner. Coming in at number 3, we've got motivational business stories. This channel format shares powerful stories of entrepreneurs, startups, and famous brands, from their early struggles to massive success. Let's break down a major channel and an up-and-comer. Magnates Media pulls in 1.5 million monthly views, making an estimated $6,000 per month through ads only. They should also be earning from sponsors and high-ticket business affiliate links. Big Company, a smaller channel, earns $3,000 per month from around 700,000 views, using stock video, AI voiceover, and case study style scripts. Here's the breakdown from a creator's lens. CPMs are strong because of the overlap with finance, productivity, and entrepreneurship. Sponsors love this audience. Monetization potential, 9.0 out of 10. Writing and sourcing can take some effort, but with AI tools and templates, you can create a streamlined, repeatable workflow. Ease of execution, 8.0 out of 10. Total score, 8.5 out of 10. If you love storytelling and business cases, this niche gives you viral potential with a high-value audience. At number 2, we've got daily investment news, stocks and crypto. This faceless channel model summarizes financial headlines, market trends, and crypto updates in 1 to 3 minute videos. Think Bitcoin price crash explained, or why Nvidia stock just popped. It's perfect for viewers who want to stay informed without digging through boring finance articles. Let's look at a market leader and a sharp niche creator. Altcoin Daily earns 3.5 million views per month, generating $14,000 per month thanks to high CPMs and affiliate links. Bullwinkle Blueprint, a smaller channel with 750K views per month, pulls in $3,000 per month simply by using AI tools and financial analysis charts. The audience is high intent, and you become their go-to source if you're consistent. Here's how this niche performs behind the numbers. Finance equals top-tier CPMs. Even a few videos can drive newsletter signups or affiliate revenue. Monetization potential, 9.0 out of 10. You'll need to keep up with financial news daily, but the format is fast to produce with templates and AI. Ease of execution, 8.0 out of 10. Total score, 8.5 out of 10. If you enjoy following markets and breaking down the news, this niche offers speed, scale, and serious earnings. And finally, at number 1, we've got AI-powered money-making tutorials. This niche is the perfect storm of two explosive trends, AI and online income. You teach viewers how to make money using AI tools like automating blogs with ChatGPT, creating YouTube videos with InVideo, or launching a digital side hustle with Notion AI. This channel type is exploding right now because it's tactical, inspiring, and ultra-shareable. Let's spotlight a leading example and a growing creator. Decoding YT crushes it with 1.5 million monthly views, making $6,000 a month from ads, affiliate deals, and selling digital products. How to in 5 minutes crushes it with 500,000 monthly views, making $2,000 a month from ads, affiliate deals, and selling digital products. People watching this content are ready to act, and often buy what you recommend. Here's why this niche tops the chart. Viewers are financially motivated, meaning high conversions for affiliate tools, courses, or even coaching. Monetization potential, 9.0 out of 10. The videos are simple, screen recordings, step-by-step narration, and AI-generated voiceovers. Super easy to scale. Ease of execution, 10.0 out of 10. Total score, 9.5 out of 10. If you like to explain complex processes in simple terms and are interested in riding the AI wave, this niche is a no-brainer. Okay, you've just seen the top 10 faceless niches with high profitability and ease of execution. Check the link in the description for a summary table with example channels and scores. If you're new, pick one niche and make your first video. If you are already creating, try incorporating one of these niches to your videos to boost results. If this video helped, please like and subscribe. It keeps me motivated to create more. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.